everyone, currently I am here in Pennsylvania and we're going to check a couple of places around the Lehigh Valley, so make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can check out all this amazing content that we have for you today. Currently I find myself here at the Coplay Kiln West preservation. Basically, Lehigh Valley is the place that you're going to really get cement going here in the United States of America historically. At some point, 70% of all cement that you found in America was actually from the Lehigh Valley, and this is one of those places, this preservation of the Coplay Kiln West. Now, over here, this place was used until 1904, but then rain was getting into the building and kind of eroded the place, so it hasn't been used since, and it's kind of been here as a preservation just to remember the history and to kind of say that this area, Lehigh Valley, basically built most of the United States when it comes to cement. So pretty interesting.